What's up, everybody? Brad, Proformance Unlimited, your dyno tuner. On the dyno today, we have a Ford 347 cubic inch stroker motor here. This one happens to have the Sniper 2 and the Hyperspark distributor in it. This one has the March Serpentine kit on here with the alternator only. It's going into a Factory 5 Roadster. It's going to be pretty nice looking in that Roadster. It has these carbon fiber valve covers on here. They're gorgeous valve covers. If you have any questions about any of our power makers here, do not hesitate to give us a call. Put some power in your ride, lay down some stripes on the streets, and be safe out there, everybody. 1-800-267-3940.